What's up, YouTube? Today on I Drink and I Make Stuff, we're gonna make more shelves. Wife likes shelves, so we're just gonna keep doing those, different kinds, different styles. I got some really nice edge something pine here. Oak for different projects. I got a bunch of this wood that's wrapped in plastic. That's gotta be good, huh? We're just gonna get right to it. I'm gonna cut these down basically. Put a little bit of a router edge on them, sand them up real nice, stain them. Then I'm gonna run a groove all the way along with the router so I can put little bookends to hold your books up so they slide in, your books don't fall off. So and we'll see how we put the holders. I don't know what we'll do. Maybe we'll make something cool on the bottom, like instead of, you know, like something like this, instead of this being here, it'll be like a cut out a G on the jigsaw and put that up, you know, for, you know, someone's last name or a B or an H or whatever's going to hold it best for their last name. All right, let's hyperlapse, see what comes out of here. All right, so first thing I'm setting up is my table saw, giving it 8-inch bookshelves, cutting these down. This is just some edge glued pine that I bought, just trying some new wood just for fun. Nothing special. And I'm cutting it down to 32 inches, I believe. And that router set up. So this I got a little bit squirrely on. I should have mounted this down, and I actually should have done this on my router table. As you can see, this is going to be that T-hole where I slide my book ends through. But as you can see, I get a little bit squirrely here, which is alright. No one's going to see the top of it. It's where all the books are. I didn't have the right bit. I needed a bigger one, and I had it too deep. But whatever. Things work out, I guess. Yeah, as you blow it out, you can see how squirrely it is, but it still works. We're good. And here I'm just putting a little edge on it, on the sides on both of them with the router, then sanding it up. Good to go. Now comes the fun part. So I only use G's and B's. G's for my last name, B's for books. The G's are going to be the book ends. So I'm just cutting them out on some 1/4-inch plywood. Just some basic sticky spray glue, nothing special, just to stick them on there. Cut them out. This is really just kind of a test of my scroll saw and my scroll saw skills. Kind of a fun little device. I want to get one of the omnidirectional ones. Blades on there. I got them. I just got to change it out from pin lock to different kind of locking mechanism. This wasn't too hard. Just a lot of getting used to. I'm not really good at the scroll saw. Alright, from here I got them cut out. Now what I'm going to do is I just get in the center of my little blocks that I made. These are just like 3-inch by 2-inch blocks or something. They're not just little things that I grinded down and putting the screws in. See, you know, they slide in there, and that's what's going to hold the books. And then the G's get painted, and then they just get glued on there. Nothing special. If they break, whatever. Just a quick project. Here I'm just using some shellac, which I shouldn't be using this foam brush. It pretty much ate it apart, and then I read the directions, and you should do it. I don't even know what shellac does. It protects it, I think. I just kind of go with it, see what happens. It works. Now I'm outside, just doing a little bit of spray paint here, so just showing you the gold on the G's. All right, we're outside. It's nice out. We can finally do some stuff out here. We're going to do a French cleat on these, so I'll just catch you guys up here. I'm going to paint these white. This is the French cleat. This is what will be up on the shelf. And this is what will be pinned to the back on the wall as the hanger. Alright, I can't flip you around, so let's do a new video. Alright, we're back in the shop. Show you guys what we got going on here. So here's the shelves. I know, not good camera work, I'm just holding you. So there's the shelves that you guys have seen. And I did put a little shellac on them. I think I videoed that. So instead of normal sides, what we're going to do is we're going to put these B's here for books, I guess. That'll be cool, huh? And you go like that. There you go. That's how it'll be against the wall. Another one, and then French cleat come across here, and then another B right here. And then the kind of cool thing about it is these little guys. These are what's going to hold the book. That groove that I channeled in. Nice G for our last name. And then they just kind of slide around as you take books out. That's pretty neat, huh? Alright, now I'm just going to paint those and I'll bring you guys back in when I start attaching the French cleat. Just doing a little spray painting on the B's. Some brown, bronzish, hammered look. Decent looking. Now I'm just gluing on the G's onto their bases. Oh man, my camera got flipped during this video. Whatever. You'll get over it. Well, hello again. Bringing you back in. Here we go. We're going to do the setup. So I got my board. I got it shellacked, sanded. I got my B's cut out for boobies. Just books. Just kidding. It's books. Those are going to go here. You see everything? These are going to go there to hold the shelf. I got my French cleat cut out. That's going to go right in between. And it's going to kind of look like that. Give you guys a little example. So now what I'm going to do is, since I already shellacked it, I think I need to take my Dremel. I already marked out where the B's are going to be. You can see the outlines. I'm just going to Dremel it with my sanding disc and just kind of basically give the wood glue something to bite onto. We'll also be doing pocket holes on the inside here. So here and here for strength. And same with here, I'll do pocket holes on the back of this for strength. So that's where we're going to start here. I also have to do a little bragging. I got the Dremel 4300 since my 300 or 3000. Dremel 4300, my 3000 broke. So I got this bad boy. Thing is huge. Pretty excited about that. I'm going to throw some sanding discs on and we're going to give her a go. This thing is bulky. Alright, for this step I just went ahead and I drilled pocket holes in the French cleat that I was going to use. I put wood glue on and then I used some cyanoacrylate drops just to hold it in place and really just get it a tight fit right away so I didn't have to do a lot of clamping. Once that kind of dried a little bit, I was able to put the screws in, which gave me a nice perfect back. And I did the exact same thing for these B's as well. I did pocket drill them so I could actually have a nice solid mechanical hold, I use wood glue and then a little bit of the cyanoacrylate in order to hold that on there. Really easy to do. Made everything like no clamps at all. Well, thank you for watching that video. I know I've been making a lot of shells. Eventually I'm going to make some other stuff too. So today's really nice. I'm going to treat you guys with the shop cleanup here. As you can see, it's a little bit messy. Lots of stuff on the floor. Gonna kind of clean all the cardboard up. I shouldn't need the fireplace anymore. I'm just burning random stuff. So I'll put you guys on hyperlapse and you can watch me clean this.